In this video, I'll show you how to use Robinhood for college student investing in a simple way. First, open the Robinhood app and tap on the Sign Up or Login option, then complete your account setup if you haven't already. Once you're in, tap on the search bar and start with simple investments like ETFs instead of jumping into risky trades. Search for an ETF, tap on it, then tap Buy, enter a small amount, and confirm your purchase. This helps you get started with less risk. Next, only invest money you can afford to leave untouched. As a student, your priority is managing expenses, so start small and grow over time. You can also set up recurring investments. Tap on a stock or ETF, choose a schedule, and invest weekly or monthly. This builds consistency without needing large amounts. Avoid using margin or high-risk trades like options when starting out. Keep things simple and focus on learning. Track your portfolio from the home screen, but don't stress about daily changes. Focus on long-term growth while you learn. That's it. If this helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple tech tips.